First create a new layer and you can rename it if you want. Then select the healing brush tool from the tool menu. Make sure the sample is selected to current and below. Now zoom into the image and sample the nearest clean skin area from the pimple by pressing the Alt key and left mouse button to sample it. Now just simply paint over that pimple, like so, and do this for all of the pimples and blemishes. But keep in mind that you are always making a new sample for each pimple. After doing all of these, you can apply a color lookup table to blend this even more. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.